Hey, man.
Watch out!
Woodpecker.
It's a woodpecker from space! Didn't know the reason why. Still dark outside, but yet a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. This time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more. Funny-looking bird, and he stood right before my eyes with his waist shoot and a laser gun. He was